Hi and welcome. In this video we are going to learn how to unnest a sequence or clips in Premiere Pro. See, we are going to select and nest it, but unfortunately here is no way to unnest this sequence. So we can use sequence. We can click here, select the whole clips, drag and drop here. Okay, see, this clips is here. So another way, we can highlight the whole clips, command C, come here and command B, all thing here. Okay, this two way. Another way is click the right button, reveal in project. Okay, so you can click and drag it here. This is coming, but you need to remember this is unchecked. If this is checked, you drag here, this will become a sequence like this. Okay, so you need to uncheck this, then drag and drop here. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next part.